Hi, and welcome to NABUR by the Green Valley News and Sun. Let me show you around. Groups are where you can talk to your direct neighbors about hyper-local issues. When you first sign up, you will see a few groups you are already following. You can customize your neighbor experience by following groups you are interested in. You can also leave groups, and you won't see content from them. Ready to start a conversation? We have two options to customize your posts. When you click into a discussion post, options to format your post appear. Put your title above, and then write your post in the space below. You can add photos, bullets, links, and more. When you're ready to post, select the group you want to talk to and click Post. Questions are great for polls. Check the poll box, add your options, select your group, and ask. Lastly, keep an eye on your activity score. It helps you keep track of your contributions to making NABUR great. NABUR is all about cultivating community. Think before you post, and we ask that you take a look at our guidelines to make sure that everyone has a positive experience on our platform. Thanks so much, and we'll see you on NABUR.